Hi everyone, it's Annie with Patterns by Annie and ByAnnie.com, and I'm excited to give you a little tour of my home sewing room. This is where I work usually on weekends and evenings, but lately I've been here all the time because I've been self-isolated at home. My favorite part of this room is this wonderful cutting table that my husband built for me. It's about 4 by 6 feet, so lots of room to cut and work on projects. I've got bins underneath with fabric stored, hooks on the end for my rulers so they're always easy to access. I keep rings of mesh and fold over and zippers so I can audition colors easily. Another favorite part is this baker's rack with trays that I can use to put all the parts and pieces for projects. When I'm preparing for videos, all the step outs go on those. I can pull the trays out, take them to work to our video studio. I have another rack there, and then bring them home empty and start again. I love having this little balcony out back. It looks down into my backyard or out at a view of the city and the mountain. Looks like we're going to get a little bit of a sunset out here tonight. So I rarely see the sunrises, but I often see the sunsets. So then back into here, my sewing table is right inside the door, so I can open the door and listen to the birds sing. I have my machine in a wonderful koala cabinet that I love, lots of space to work. I can adjust the machine up and down. Over here is my older sewing table with my extra machines, so when my friends come or my daughter-in-law comes and wants to sew, she's got a place to work or just to enjoy the view. I've got a thread rack with all my sew fine thread ready to go. Other bins here for storage. I keep my fold over elastic there, and then just all kinds of things in here. So this one has sew fine thread, sort it by color. This whole set is zippers by the yard, sort it by color. Makes them easy to find and always know where they are. This side of the room is my office. Usually when I'm sewing at home, I'm working on a new pattern, so I'm back and forth from my computer to the sewing machine regularly, and that's kind of where I work there. Then lots of table space, but it's usually piled high with projects or paperwork, and underneath we've got all kinds of projects and fabric that we've been working on. So we've been sewing new models, working on step outs. This is some quilted fabric that's ready to go to make some new models using Tula Pink's line work, things that I've had used for my Facebook Lives for demos. Usually that's all in the middle of the room, but I cleaned up a little bit for you. Down here is my serger set up, my iron and ironing board, and then more storage, lots of places. So that's a little tour of where I work, and I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed showing it to you. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy stitching.